Then, cup, measuring cup. Saglit lang, kasi pinukuha. 1 cup. Ganahan siya mabalik-balik, eh, hindi gamit para sa wala na te, or wala lang ang stainless te, dagan ang plastic te. Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mich, and for today, I will be sharing my Oreo ice cream roll. So, before, nag-share ako ng aking mango graham roll, and then, since my kids loves Oreo, so Oreo naman na yun. Okay? So, for the recipe, I have Mona Lisa na whipping cream. I have all-purpose cream. I have Oreo, crushed Oreo. If you have the whole Oreo, pwede yun. Tapos i-food process nyo lang. And then I have condensed milk. I'm using the Bravo condensed milk from Global Pacific. And my Conaprol milk. Okay? So if you have hand mixer, pwede yun. Or if you have stand-up mixer, mas okay. Mas mabilis ang buhay. Okay? So let's whip the whipping cream and your all-purpose cream. I think sa mango graham ko, I used all-purpose cream yata. So, actually, you can use 50-50. Pwede 50% is whipping cream and then another 50% si all-purpose. Okay? Whip nyo lang siya together until medyo mag-volume siya, okay? Huwag nyo hintayin mag-soft stick. Medyo mag-fluffy lang, okay na yan. So, once ganun na yung tsura, medyo fluffy na, we can add the Bravo condensed milk and the milk. Okay? Make sure all of your ingredients naka-chill siya. Okay? Unlike sa baking, kailangan naka-room temp. This time, kailangan chill para mas mabilis siya umalisa. Yung whipping cream and all-purpose. So, okay na to after mga 2 to 3 minutes. Yan, properly combine na. Remove na natin. Tapos, lagay natin 1/2 of the Oreo crumbs or crushed Oreo. Half of this, or if you want na medyo may buo, I have another one here. Okay? If you notice, this one is ito, mas klaro. This one is naka-food process. This one, diretso yung from the pack. Okay? So, pwede to, diretso mas malalaki. Tapos later, ito yung i-roll natin. Okay? Then, let's get our cellophane. Okay, so this is, I think, 2 by 10. Nakalimutan ko tuloy yung size. 2 by 10. Mas maganda if you have yung medyo mas manipis. So, ito yung meron ako. Medyo mas makapal. Kaya, I use this kind of tali. Later, mas mahirap siya i-tali if medyo makapal. So, if you have imbudo, I don't know what's the Tagalog. In Bisaya, this is imbudo. Then, cup. Measuring cup. Saglit lang. Kasi pinukuha. 1 cup. Ganahan siya mabalik-balik, eh, hindi gamit para sa wala na te, or wala lang ang stainless te, dagan ang plastic te. So, may 1 roll, around mga 2 cups. If you're very OC, particular ka sa dapat same yung laki lahat. Go ahead, you can weigh, okay? Then, yung natirang, then yung natirang Oreo crumbs, you can actually roll yung matigas at nalipong ko. Then, yung natirang Oreo crumbs, ito yung i-roll natin. Or, dito natin i-roll yung tumigas na Oreo roll. Okay? So, just like the Grahams. And then, para mas madikit, you can add melted butter. Konti lang, okay? Okay, and then prepare foil. And then wear your gloves. Okay? Overnight, you freeze yung Oreo roll, ha? Para mas matigas, mas easy itrabaho. I'll get my Oreo roll. Ginawa ko to kagabi. So, tanggalin na natin. Actually, you can sell this one diretso, ha? But since may pictorial, papakita. There you go, our Oreo ice cream roll. Diba? No need ng mixer, tapos pwede nyo pang negosyo. Again, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tapos ring our notification bell para mas updated kayo. Bye!